In today's video, I am going to be painting Kitsune from Loot Studio. Loot Studio is an app where you can download STLs of 3D models like this one. By the way, Loot Studio is not sponsoring this video. Let's get right into it. For the first step, I primed her white with the army painter spray can. I painted her hair with red letter. Using Phthalex blue to paint her skirt. Flat brown for her leather vest. For the waist robe, leather brown. Using camouflage green on the bed bag. Camouflage green mixed with black to paint the katana. Using gold for the little gold details. Painting her hand fan with dark vermilion. A lighter red for the little lamp. Painting her face with dark flesh. Pink for the cherry blossom leaves. Using gold to paint her mechanical parts. Now I'm going to highlight her skirt. First by using Phthalex blue mixed with blue-green. Then adding a lighter blue, and each time adding a lighter blue to make a nice blend. Dry brushing white onto the cherry blossom leaves. For the final step, dry brushing clear orange onto the hair. And now it's time for the final result.